We're visiting all 48 World Cup countries, learning about their stories, their culture, and giving football back to the fans. The 2026 World Cup is the biggest ever and the most expensive. So if the world can't make it to the World Cup, we're bringing the World Cup to the world. And today, we're in South Africa. But to understand how we got in this situation, let's start the story from here.
Let's go. Ga. And then
Hey.
1, 2, nah. Kick there.
Hey,
Let's
hey,
go.
hey, hey,
Ah.
hey, hey.
Check.
What? Hey, oh. Nah. Hold on. What? Hey. Nah, bro. Hey, chat. We're in Joburg, in the birth of Amapiano, yeah? We are in Joburg, in the birth of Amapiano. What are you lot saying? Hey, chat.
Shout out to Saintjidz, shout out to Jay.
Welcome to Josie, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Jack Bakes on the books.
Let's get it, man. Let's get it,
man. Where we're heading to right now, it's gonna be mad. This is real SA, blood. Real SA, Amapiano vibes. Global thing, bro. These man just embracing us and trying to show us the real spill, bro. So like, if you want to see Amapiano, come to Joburg.
But today we're exploring SA culture. We've got new characters today. Characters, introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. If it's Fascination Bravo, learning the reflector all the way from Emza, and you should know this thing is international. Check. It's all about the trip. It's all about the culture. You should know the rules of the culture. Okay, so
Saintjidz. Yeah. Catch me at Insta. It's on the line. Yeah, we got Josie here. Got our guests from all the way from the UK. So we want to introduce them into Amapiano culture. We're out here at New Junction. Let's go.
right now at the moment at the Newtown Junction, we are surprising Soweto's finest with another layer. Just watch, check. This is Soweto's finest studio where dancers, if you wanna, on weekends wanna try something new, just pull up.
A bunch of dead bullies.
These are the kids that are creating the challenges for all these songs that are trending right now. Without these kids, the Amapiano songs, I don't know. Your song won't trend, man.
The reason why we have this dance studio, right? We just trying to make sure the kids are away from the streets. Because there's a lot of bad things that happen in the streets. Because dance is a South African culture. There's a lot that we do. And we're just also just trying to give back to the kids. So Soweto's Finest is known for all the big shows in Africa, in South Africa, I'd say. This is the piano, the Zambian side, that side, then the piano
Bro, do you know how crazy that is? You lot are unreal, bro. These are unreal. That was too wild.
You guys nice.
This is country number 9 of the World Cup tour. South Africa. We streamed a couple days in Cape Town. It's been mad. We got assigned in by the government. We work for the tourism board. Yeah, it's calm. Old guy's saying, have you got a permit? Bro, my permit is Twitch. In South Africa, I swear down, sometimes, or even in Africa in general, people, they just want to say something to say it for no reason. They just want to have to say, you got to be mad resilient with that. Just people in life in general, they often try and chat a lot of shit just to get like a tip or something like that, or make it like difficult. But you got to know how to talk yourself out of it. Yeah, we've got a permit. We have a permit. You know what a permit is, right?
No, we have permission.
Permission. They gave us permission.
You have a permission?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro said you got permission. Okay.
I know, he's so dumb. No, he's so dumb.
Dumbass nigga, man.
Hey. So we're en route. We're gonna go eat food, I think, in Soweto, the famous Soweto. So why is Soweto famous?
It's the biggest township in South Africa.
In South Africa, and see all those struggles and everything.
The name Soweto, it stands for Southwestern Township. It's the biggest township in South Africa. So Soweto was part of the segregation back in the days during the apartheid times. That was the apartheid era where there was white supremacy over the black people, where they did not allow black people to interact with the white people. So Sowetan people, the reason they moved there, they kept all the black people in one place so that they don't interact with the white people. So that is like the brief summary of Soweto.
I can't believe I'm fucking live in South Africa. Like, it makes you count your blessings, you know. It makes you really say, if there's a dream that I want to pursue, I should just continue, because everything's gonna be alright. To see this, like, to be able to be present right now with you lot in this country. I heard so much about Joburg, you know. Heard so much. I've been wanting to go for so long. Laka. So teach us some South African slang.
Danko
Means thank you.
means thank you. And then sharp means sure. Aware, that means hi, but it's a slang. Sure. It's like I'm greeting you, sure. Ugrand. When I say ugrand, I mean, are you good?
Or how's it?
How's it? Yeah. Things like that.
This is the South African National Stadium.
Very iconic stadium, yeah?
The Bird's Nest. So Spain won the World Cup.
It capacitates 94,000 people.
94,000
Yeah, it's the second biggest stadium. Actually, it's the third biggest stadium.
in the world.
Yeah. The first is the one in Cairo, which accommodates over 100,000. It's 101,000 people.
In Cairo, we're gonna go there.
Oh, you guys are going there?
Yeah, we're going to Egypt in a couple of weeks. I'm traveling to every country that's in the World Cup, and this is South Africa. And we are outside an iconic stadium, which is Soccer City. And this is the only stadium in Africa ever to host a World Cup final, which is insane. I remember watching that game and thinking that Holland was going to bag it because I hated Barcelona and I hated Spain. But I was happy for Cesc Fabregas to win the World Cup. What a legend. Man said he's going to show us how to kick ball. Nah, I'm dead. You know you're all skills and you can't pass the ball, but you're all skills. Look at that. Bro, hey, these man got some mad skills.
The Kasi soccer, yes, the Kasi football is crazy.
Yeah.
All they do is just like dribbling. That's what we like. It's called ushugela.
Ushugela?
Yeah, ushugela.
Joga bonito.
Yeah, joga bonito.
So it's like...
Yeah, ushugela. Danko, ushugela. Kushan makunje? Tsamaya. Tsamaya, you know Spiwa Shabana with Tsamaya? Yes. Yes. What's it? Eh? Tsamaya. You know, when you come running there, you must know you're dead. You will reach. Go. So I got you. You nice, Moose. Huh? You nice. You nice, huh?
I told you.
Probably you want to get them playing soccer something.
And I don't even play football like that.
For real. How about you nice, dog? Those moves, you can't say you don't play soccer.
Don't lie to him, man. Don't lie to him.
There's no sign. So you see this street, ne?
Yeah.
This street, ne? It goes down.
It goes down.
Yeah, the street at
Down
night.
like vibes, things like that.
There's clubs.
So in Johannesburg, it makes drivers where you go to groove.
There's Orlando Stadium
Yeah.
where the Pirates play.
Oh, that's the Pirates Stadium.
That's the Paris Stadium.
That looks like Glasgow. Can I hear people? Are they there now?
Yeah, there are people inside.
Yeah, because I can hear something. No way. Why am I bugging? Can you hear the noise? Faintly.
It's like you like side.
Wow, so they actually got a stadium next to a township. The contrast, they got a stadium. Outside the stadium, they have township. It's crazy.
This street,
My boy seen these lot last time he came.
this is why people come to Vilakazi Street to see this guy.
Welcome, brothers.
Hey, come, let's get out. Can we get out?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, let's get out and film. Let's get one love. Hey, you should dye my hair.
Come in the sun, come in the sun. Don't worry. He's in the sun.
Hey.
Because every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. This is my message to you.
Hey, you man are too fucking cold. Are you taking a piss? Nah, you man are cold.
Where you from?
I'm from London.
London.
But I'm Nigerian.
Wonderful.
Yeah, one love, brother. One love, yeah.
London.
Yeah, come on, bro. We're a global community, yeah? Follow us. You can join the law firm by following Saintjidz and watching our streams. We're live right now as well. That's my name on all platforms.
All platforms.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
Come on, G.
One love, brother.
One love, brother. Nah, these niggas is too motherfucking wavy. Hey, hey, ah! Hey, you might as well get a kick around with them, bro. Hey! Oh, they're doing it. Yep, set. Cheese.
Hold the stick.
You know my dad, yeah, he's so Nigerian, yeah. He's like, if they get you to hold anything or do anything, just give it away. And I'm here, oh shit. This is wavy still. Oh! Oh my days. Nah, these men are hard. Rotten. My man doing a mad thing, bro. Nah, you man are fucking crazy, bro. Jeez, you man are crazy. Yeah, have you got any card?
Yeah, we have a card machine.
Oh, did you say just $50? Oh, just $50?
Yeah.
Broski, come bro.
He's saying it's like there are like 15 of them. So how much maybe would you give them something like that?
So how about if I say 500?
Yo, yeah,
it's not a lot.
Catch you, nigga.
I'm not gonna. No, I'm not trying to get boyed though, because for real, like.
Well, 200 rand is calm.
I gotta pay the whole of Africa, you know. And it's not me being greedy, it's just me being honest, chat. I have to pay for fixes across the whole route, and we're in country number 1. So, I have to barter. 200, brother. I'm factoring you, but I also need to feed our brothers across the route. We're going to every country that's in the World Cup. You get what I mean? Everyone's got to eat, G. Yo, 200, G.
Thank you so much, man.
Nah. This guy was about to make me bone out, bro. I feel like Joburg is like Atlanta. How I would imagine Atlanta to be in terms of the depth of the culture.
I prefer this to Cape Town, I can't.
Oh, yeah, 100%. Joburg to Cape Town every day. Where are we on our way to?
So right now, we're at Vilagazi.
Yeah.
Going in, meet. Wanna chow something, tasty.
Chow, yeah. Bro, this is wavy. We're actually in the hood. Hey, Joburg's nice, man. The food smells so fucking peng. He's gonna show us the bride meat. Yeah. He's fully like showing us everything.
Bride meat. Yeah. It's all bride meat here, so you must choose whatever that you want.
So here we have roast beef, we have chop, we have brisket, short ribs, Russian horse, drumsticks, lamb chops, dry horse.
Which one's the best?
Can have a bit of
Yeah, let's get a bit around. Yeah. I want to talk to people.
Talk to you.
Right, the people are.
Hey, this guy.
And then he drops in public, bro.
Hey, bro, that's oral loss, bro.
Alright, let's smoke. Red is candy.
Hey guys, we watch, we don't charge. Dad. I can't smoke on the stream because of now I influence like keys, things like that. So if they're gonna see me doing this, it's another thing.
People can hear you. The mic is on you.
Hey son, I forgot. Hey son. Shit!
0-1 ants, bro. He leaves.
You see, I'm like, and I can't even feel anything here.
So this South African bride.
Yeah, that's up. Tripod.
This food is so late. Oh my god. Food is so fucking dank.